What's going on? Welcome to Digital Mind Blog. In this video, I am going to review about rechargeable wireless gaming keyboard. But before starting the video, if you are new to Digital Mind Blog, please subscribe and also press the bell notification button, so you can get my latest video notifications on time. Let's start the video and review the features of rechargeable wireless gaming keyboard. High performance plus easy to use, with its super low response time. This is among the very best wireless keyboards available on the market. Using it is as easy as plugging in the USB receiver and flicking a switch under the keyboard. This model also has a special function key so you can access many useful shortcuts such as volume control directly on your keyboard. Note multimedia keys available for Chroma wireless version only. Quiet and comfortable, ideal to work from home. This keyboard conceived to be as quiet as can be, especially compared to a noisy mechanical keyboard. Each keystroke produces a soft sound, providing a very pleasant typing experience. You will never bother anyone around you with loud typing ever again. The keyboard is an essential piece of equipment for any computer. It takes a prominent position in your desk and will stay there, so it might as well look good. The chromatic lighting effects will definitely be noticed, especially in the dark. This greatly helps you to type in low light conditions. If you are not used to touch typing, the lights have adjustable brightness and 3 modes: static, breathing, off, all adjustable via the FN key. The keys have a 10,000,000 keystrokes lifetime, so you can hold onto it for the next decade. The keyboard is made of durable ABS and is rather light, only 480 grams. Unlike many other wireless keyboards, it has a long-lasting built-in battery, so you won't have to spend a dime on replaceable ones. Simply charge it in about 4 hours with the supplied USB cable. If you want to see more features of this rechargeable wireless gaming keyboard, you can find the link in the description. And if you want free training on how to make money online fast, you can also find links in the description. Please like and share this video with others. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments section. I will meet you in the next video with some other product. Until then, take care and bye. Thanks for watching it.